morning. My name is Jonathan Chandler, and we're here at the Virginia School of Traditional Arts. We're going to make us a little cooking fire today, but I was going to show you a little short video on how to make a one-match fire. So you make sure that you get a matching a fire with one match in case you're limited on resources or you're stuck somewhere and you don't know how long you're going to be there. So we're going to practice that today. First thing we're going to do is it's rained for the last several days, and so our fire pit here is completely wet, and to build a fire on wet ground is never a good idea. So what I do is I'll take me some sticks and I'm going to get us up off of that wet ground. So these don't have to be crazy big sticks. Don't really have to be a lot of them, just enough to get you up off the ground. And I'm going to put this one down here. Put this a little back in there. Alright, so we've got our sticks. I went out and I have gathered us up some grass. This is pampas grass. This grows lots of places. In the United States, especially kind of urban, suburban areas. It is really good, but you can use native grass, same kind of thing. I don't have a lot of native grass at the moment, but this grows in my backyard. This is what we use for our bird's nest. We take it and we'll fluff it up a little bit. And that's our kind of our base for our bird's nest. And then this is the pampas grass tops, and any kind of grass that has these seeds on it like this, that's what these are, seed pods. As long as it's dry, and like I said, this has been in the rain for the last 2 days. It's rained here for 2 days solid. It's quit raining this morning and it's dried off a little bit today, but it's still plenty wet. And so we're going to get us a couple of those. You don't need very many of these. This is the hardest thing to kind of come by in the wild, is this real fluffy kind of stuff. So, but it is out there. Old man's beard would work. That kind of thing would work. Any kind of fluffy stuff, and we're going to kind of put it down in our bird's nest here. Kind of shove it down in there a little bit, and then we have the stalks from that same plant that seed comes on. Those have like fibers inside them, so I'm going to break those up as small as I can get it, kind of fluff it down in there. It's kind of our next size tinder. Alright, and then I generally get, what I like to do is have us a rock or even a log will work, and have something to keep our fire up off the ground, or our log up off the ground, our ridgepole here up off the ground, so we can pack some other stuff on the side and still leave air getting underneath this. And so I have some other things I have collected here. We generally start with the smallest things that we can find, smallest and the driest. Here's just a few wood shavings that I had laying around, just a few off of a plane project. We did, and then got a whole stack of little branches here. Those would be good, and we want to fluff those up and try to keep some air in them. And I'm leaving me a handhold over here where I can reach in there and get my fire going with my match. And then we got a little bigger sticks, and we're going to start and put those in our teepee kind of style here. Kind of orientation here. Get our little sticks. Your fire is made a success or not by what you've collected and how you arrange it to begin with. If you don't collect the right things, and if you don't arrange it the correct way, it's not gonna burn. And then we got a few little bit larger sticks here, and these are not dry. They're mostly almost doty. And so we're going to put them up here. As the little stuff burns, they'll start to dry out. And then we have some more of those same little thin sticks that we had started putting underneath our fire. We'll put those on. And that's going to be all we're going to start with. I've got a little bigger material over here like this that I've cut up small, and we'll use those for our cooking coals, but this is going to get our fire going. So our goal today is to make a fire with one match. So if we've done our prep work correctly, we've gathered up the right stuff, this should be no trouble whatsoever. If I can get it in here without putting the match out, this is my thing. And I might just take one more little piece of fluff, because I've lost my fluff stuff over here on this side, and we'll stick it underneath there. Make sure I get to some of that. And we're going to strike our match. Try to anyway. Out here in the wind. And we're going to start sticking them under here a couple places. And if we've done our prep work correctly, this should be no trouble to get us a fire going here real quick. And some more of that fluffy stuff chunking on there. One match fires if you get the right stuff. Keep piling some more stuff on here. And there you go. Put a few bigger pieces over here. When I'm putting the big pieces on the side like this, I'm trying to focus the flames up in the center so it burns hot. So that's when we can start putting on our pieces that we're going to actually use for our cooking coals. We'll let this burn down a minute or two. Quit out here today. I had to get my little cardboard to put on my knees. Get out the way, dog. That's another stick. Save that for another time. But I hope you've enjoyed us showing you how to make a one-match fire today here at the Virginia School of Traditional Arts. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe and like, and you're welcome to comment. If you'd like to come and take a class, we're in Virginia. We're under coronavirus lockdown at the moment, but we can offer classes probably this fall, and we're going to do some cast iron cooking today.